Hi, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. My name is Shayan Roy Chaudhary, and this is the one I wish someone had given me when I started my career 17 years ago. No theory, no systems, real stories, real results, right from the retail shop floor. Look at this timeline. From 2006, managing 118 stores across Pan India with Infinity Lifestyle to today, managing three brands across GCC. Every single lesson in this course comes directly from experiences like these. Nothing made up, nothing copied from a textbook. Now, I want to ask you something. Have you ever worked with a manager who have made you excited to come to work? Who noticed when you did something great? Who actually invested in you? If you have, you know how powerful that feels. And if you haven't, that is exactly what this course will teach you to be for your team. Because here is the truth nobody talks about. The happiest stores are the highest performing stores. A team that feels respected, heard, and developed will always outsell any team that is just showing up for a paycheck. I have seen it, I have lived it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. 17 years, 70 plus stores, international environment, 500 plus people developed across multiple nationalities. These numbers are not here to impress you. They are here to show you what I'm about to teach you is battle tested. Real stores, real pressures, real results. By the time you finish this course, you will know exactly how to track and improve your KPIs, lead a team of any size or background, manage your stock and your profit and loss, and position yourself for your next growth. And if you work in GCC or you're planning to, there is a dedicated section just for you. So, shall we get started? Section 2 is where everything begins. I'll see you there. Let me address you something head on. You have probably heard people say retail is dying, e commerce is taking over, physical stores are just finished. I'm going to stop you right there because that narrative is completely wrong. And I'm going to show you why. Global retail is a $26 trillion industry. Even after the e commerce boom, more than 80% of all the purchases worldwide is still happening in a physical store. In the GCC alone, retail market is over $300 billion and it is growing. New malls are opening every year in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh, and you name it, across all the Emirates. So, what is changing? The standard is changing. Customers who can buy anything online with just two taps only will walk into a physical store for three reasons: experience, expertise, and immediacy. That means the bar for great retail has never been higher. And that is actually great news for you because a skilled, commercially sharp retail manager is one of the most valuable professional in the world right now. There are simply not enough of you. This course changes that. Here is what I want you to take away from this lecture. Retail is not dying, it is evolving. And the managers who evolve with it will have extraordinary careers. The ones who do not will be left behind. You choose to be here. That tells me everything which group you belong. Let us keep going.